Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share names and photos on iMessage. So first to that, you have to open your settings icon, then you scroll down a little and tap on messages. You have to make sure your iMessage is available or it is enabled on your iPhone. So after that, then you tap on share names and photos. Once you tap, another page is going to pop up, and from here you can configure your profile icon, then still tap on choose name and photos. So from here you can set an emoji avatar for your photos, or you can use your names as a photos, which is these two letters are originated from the name you have on your Apple ID. Or if you don't want that, you can tap on this three dot button, then here you can set another emoji for your photo, and also can decide to redesign the iCloud names you have on your iPhone. You can see mine is Nama Media. You can see we have different color for that, so it depends on you. And if you don't want that, you can tap on camera, then you can import pictures from your gallery. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.